morning, sir.
Good morning, Amma. Who want recording? Already I given Sahil and Siddharth permission. Ganesh, you want?
Sir, 4B1.
5B1, Ganesh given 4B1, huh? Satvik,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
permitted, Amma. 5B8, permitted. Anyone wants recording? So what is the topic we covered in last class, Amma? Anyone, any idea? Plane we finished.
Plane surface perpendicular to one plane and inclined to other plane.
B1,
Completed.
B2, both over. B1, B2, both over, na?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Take C bit. This C bit is very much important, not only for plane, for solid also. Just remember what principles I am using in C bit. Same principle we adopt for solids. Only difference there we will consider thickness. Here we are not considering thickness. Apart from that, there is no difference in construction, no doubt. Plane surface
Sir.
inclined both the plane. Plane surface inclined to both the plane, that is VP and HP.
Sir, you given only two stages. Third stage were problems are not given.
Yes, Amma?
Third stage problems you said in next class I will give.
This is third stage only. This is third stage only. C bit means third stage. Getting my point? Third stage problems are very much essential, must. Now I am dealing with third stage only, Amma. Okay. Take first problem. Take first problem. Title, separate page. How to underline, dark, bold. What you want to do, do it. Question will be 99% from this category only. Right. Take first problem. A7 joined. Anyone want recording? And these recordings will play very vital role. Why I will tell. Take first problem. An equilateral triangular lamina. An equilateral triangular lamina. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side. Sorry. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with one of its edges on HP. Lies with one of its edges on HP. Lies with one of its edges on HP, comma, such that the surface of the lamina is such that the surface of the lamina is the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Inclined to HP at 60 degree. Full stop. Inclined to HP at 60 degree. Full stop. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP. Is inclined to VP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. Inclined to VP at 60 degree. Full stop. Draw its projection. Draw its projection. Draw its projection. Understand? Noted down. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now onwards, you people, you have to make notebook like this. These figures are very big. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. You should not draw horizontally. But here I will draw because I will make at this corner neck to neck. But in your notebook, you have to draw vertically. Now onwards, any third stage problem, you have to do like this. Very careful about that. Now, listen carefully. First, what I told, Amma. Here I am trying. Yes, anyone, what I told. How to
Equilateral
solve?
triangle.
What I told, what we did in first stage, second stage. What we did in first stage, second stage. This is XY line. BP above, HP below. For your kind information, I am doing. Whatever it may be, third stage problem, you have to first solve first stage problem. That's why I solved minimum problem. Whatever it may be problem, first thing you have to solve first stage, then you have to solve second stage, then you have to solve third stage. This is the rule, Amma. What is the first stage? We should not bother about what angles he given. What is the first stage requirement, Amma? Where object is placed and how it is placed. What is the true shape of the object? What is the true shape of the object?
Equilateral triangle.
Triangle. Simply say triangle. Triangle, 3 corner, 3 sides. That's the first thing. So, true shape of the object is triangle. Where it is placed, how it is placed. Please tell me where it is placed. Where it is placed. Anyone? I want first stage information.
In VP.
And I told, yes, Amma.
In VP.
No, wrong. Read it. And one more thing I want to tell. These problems, construction is very simple, Amma. The guy who is having capability to read the question, understand the question, apply the question, he can solve. Otherwise, you can't solve. Doing is very minimum, but understanding is very logical. Be careful. Any small element missed in this question yield to wrong projection. Be careful to read. Now tell me where it is placed, how it is placed. First, these two answers are correct, then only your remaining stages are correct. Otherwise, everything is wrong. Here, you may get 10 out of 10, you may get 0 out of 10. Be careful regarding that. Tell me where it is placed. First question is where it is placed. Anyone can.
Parallel to VP.
Where he is given, Amma. He not given, Amma. He is very clever person. Nowhere he given parallel to VP or perpendicular to HP. No, you read this, an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies with one of its edge on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Full stop. Full stop, comma will play very vital role. The edge on which it rests is inclined at VP at 60 degree. So he not at all spoken about parallel or perpendicular relation and how to grab the information. Anyone understand? Please tell me. But he given information. If you read, if you apply, then only you can realize. Anyone? Can you read slowly? Any one student, please read slowly. I will tell how.
Edge on HP.
What he told, Amma?
One
Yes,
of
very
its edge
one
on
of
HP.
it is resting on HP. He told directly. See, intentionally I wrote VP HP. Imagine this is triangle. One of its edge is resting. This is edge. And roll it towards this. So it is triangle. Object idea vachinda. He given information directly. What he told? The object one, it lies with one of its edge. I told triangle is having 3 edges, but out of which one is lying on HP. This is HP. And roll it. First draw side and then construct. That is the first thing. That is very carefully you have to listen. So what is the given thing, Amma? So I will take 25 mm. This is 25. Right, write its dimension. 25 mm. These problems, listen. When I will solve, I will talk with respect to its probabilities. 25 mm. You can name this as A, this as B. I told how to draw equilateral triangle. There is a compass method. Use compass. 25 mm radius. A as a center, cut. B as a center, cut. Same radius. Wherever that intersection will take place, take that intersection point, join. I am doing dark only because I want this object C. This is C. I got equilateral triangle, where it is placed on HP, how it is placed on one of its side. Agree? Agree? Object is resting on one of its side on HP. So this is a direct information. No need to worry. Here I will project this. I will project this. You can take directly on XY line. I told that. That is a freedom. If one object is away, this object I drawn away. Now I am observing from here. B is visible, C is visible, A is not visible. A dash inside the bracket, B dash, C dash. Finished. First stage, Amma. This is called first stage. Whatever it may be, third stage problem. First, you have to draw first stage. In first stage, true shape of the object. Where it is placed, how it is placed. It is placed around HP. How? With one of its side. Understand? Understand? Now, listen carefully. Both angles are known here. What is the angle? Theta is also 60. Theta is also 60. Phi is also 60. Correct? Then which angle you have to take? That is the next question mark. Next, you have to take theta only. Keep some distance. Fixed end is side. What I told? How it is placed is a purpose of fix. AB is fixed. C is only variable. This is AB side. This is AB side, fixed. This C is variable. This is fixed. Fixed means fix it. Project it at an angle of 60 degree. 60 degree. Project this line. This is theta is equal to 60 degree. Now, carefully take measure this length. You see, initially C is 25, but when it is kept, it is less. Take A to C length. This length, front view length, A as fixed, cut. This point is called C dash. This point is A dash, B dash. Draw this line. Project these lines. Project these lines parallel to. Mark this in sequence. A, B, and this is C. A, B, C. Join them in sequence. A to B, B to C, C to D. This is second. This is second stage. This is first stage. Jagrata. One inclination we take. I want to tell one thing. In annual exam, 80 to 90%, 80 to 90% first two stages are correct. What about third stage, Amma? What is the success rate? What is the success rate of third stage? What I told, 80 to
10%.
90% correct figures are only first two stages. Third stage is success rate is only 10 to 15%. Condition is that third stage is not so simple, Amma. Third stage is always with condition. Third stage is always with the condition. That condition you have to satisfy. Otherwise, no one will give marks for third stage. Here marks will be awarded. Stage 1 marks, stage 2 marks, and stage 3. What is that condition? Read that question again. The edge on which it rests. What is the edge? Resting edge, Amma? Can anyone tell me? What is the resting edge? Resting edge.
AC.
Resting edge.
AB.
AB is a resting edge. First line which we drawn is a rest. This is movable. This is static entity. This is a dynamic entity. He is not talking about dynamic entity. He is talking about the fixed position. AB is a fixed position. What he told, read that. The edge on which it rests. AB is the edge on which it rests. Makes an angle of 60 degree. Means this edge is making angle of 60. Take protractor, keep one point, measure 60. This is 60. Jagratam. This is pi is equal to 60 degree. Now you see. What is the edge length, Amma? AB length how much? AB length how much?
25.
25. Take anywhere. 25. Anywhere. It is left to you. Take 25. This is 10. 25. Now you see. This is A. This is B. Agree? Agree? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Now you read this. The edge on which it rests. AB is a rest edge on which it rests makes an angle of 60 degree. It is making angle of 60. Agree? It is kept at an angle of 60. Agree na?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to reproduce this figure. Reproduce. What do you mean by reproduce, Amma? This figure you have. Yes. What is the meaning of reproduce?
Reconstruct.
Reproduce. What is the meaning of copy? What is the meaning of copy?
Same one.
Same figure you have to reproduce. You see, it is also 25 mm. It won't change. Fixed end is does not have any vari. If it is 25, it is also 25 because these two are parallel line. It is also 25. Now we have to. But in exam, I don't know what is the God. Despite of several, they will copy this first figure. Don't copy this. Copy this second figure. And copy means no edit option. Copy means copy. What is the dimension here? You have to reflect here. Otherwise, if you did something wrong, we won't award marks for CBIT. Be careful. So how I will copy? What I won't do anything, Amma, I will take this AC. Can I take this AC? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible AC. I taken 8. Already AB is there. Take this AC, draw the arc. Take this BC. See. B as a center, cut C. Now same dimensions of C I taken. Join them. See, same figure I copied at an angle of 60 degrees. Got it? I not changed any dimension. Getting my point? Understanding is important. And project it. After that, very simple, Amma. Project this line. Project this line. Project this line. All points you have to project. Project this line. See, this point is A dash. This point is B dash. This point is C dash. If you are an intelligent student, A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, and C dash to A dash. This is the final figure when object initially tilted with 60 degree. After that, it is tilted with respect to the resting edge. This will be the outcome. Actual figure is this equilateral triangle. Now, after tilting 2 times, its shape will become like this, your shadow. This is third stage, Amma. Understand అయిపోయిందా? Yes, sir. ఇది జాగ్రత్త చేయండి. Do it. Initially, I felt.
Third stage can explain.
Yes, Amma. Third stage.
Third stage.
Third stage you want. Listen. Third stage is always with given condition. You read question. What he told, the edge on which it rests, the edge, AB is a edge, AB is a edge on which it rests, is inclined at 60 degree to VP. This is inclined at 60 degree to VP. I take an AB edge on 60 degree line. Okay, that is the first given condition. Then after that, I know that I have to copy this second stage figure, reproduce this second stage figure. Reproduce means I cannot apply copy rule. Then I taken AC as a radius. See this AC as a, because AB is already there. This AB is there, only C is missing. AC as a radius, A as a center, draw on the arc. Same BC as a radius, B as a center, cut. So same dimensions I measured here. Marked the point, joined ABC in sequence, projected, and joined them, finished. But this reproducing is very important. So many times student will copy this first figure and you will get 0 marks. There is no mercy at all. I want this figure only. I'm repeating several times. Can you note down?
Sir, how we can recheck it? It is correct or not?
No recheck method, Amma. There is no recheck method. Everywhere you can't get it. By looking into figure, ఏముందమ్మా ఇది ఫిగర్ ఇక్కడ కనపడాలరా at an inclination. Here it is vertical, here it is inclined. కనపడుతుందా సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కనపడుతుందా లేదా అది ఇంపార్టెంట్.
Yes, sir.
That every time we cannot have recheck method. Draw it, make it fast, because I want to tell so many things. One problem you understand 5 problems. This is the one problem I solved. It means I solved 5 problems. How? I will tell. Neatness, you don't write this. This is only for your information. This is not the given. This is copy. This figure only we copied. In rough notebook, you can note down. Means what we understand, stage 1 compulsory we have to do, stage 2 we have to do mandatory, and then we have to apply stage 3. A bit, B bit, C bit. Compulsory C bit problem, if you want to solve, you have to start from A, B, and then C. Sarita? Once finished, let me know. And for you people, I taken simplest object, triangle, because polygon start with triangle only. But I told that in exam, question is pentagon, hexagon, or circle. Probability. Triangle and square is the lowest probability. But still, as a learner, start with simplest one, then reach to the highest one. And in future, when I will solve pentagon, hexagon, or triangle. No, sorry, circle problem. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Finished?
No, sir, I have minutes.
Take 2 minutes time. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right. I will take attendance. Wait. Take next problem. Take next problem. Next problem is also triangle only. First two problem I want to start with simple. An equilateral triangular lamina. An equilateral triangular lamina. An equilateral triangular lamina of side 30 mm. Of side 30 mm. And please note down question very carefully. An equilateral triangular lamina of 30 mm side, an equilateral triangular lamina of 30 mm side, rest on one of its corner, rest on one of its corner, rest on one of its corner, on VP, rest on one of its corner, on VP, rest on one of its corner, on VP, rest on one of its corner on VP, comma, such that the median passing through the corner, the median passing through the corner, the median passing through the corner on which it rests, the median passing through the corner on which it rests, the median passing through the corner on which it rests, the median passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to HP, is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, full stop, draw its projection. Draw its projection. Draw its projection. Noted down, Amma. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
First, okay. First, I will solve. I want to tell under these two problems where it is placed, Amma. Where it is placed.
On VP. One
On
of its
VP.
edge on
It
VP.
is placed.
One of its edge.
Read it. Don't give any blind statement. Read and tell.
Corner.
Yes. Where it is placed.
Median of
Corner on VP, sir.
Huh?
One of its corner on VP.
One of its corner. Where it is placed, round VP. How it is placed, round corner. How it is placed, round. I always told, if you forgotten, God only save. Corner or side. There are two probability. Object may lie on corner. This is corner, Amma. It may be lie on corner. Nothing wrong. This is side. It may lie on corner or it may be lie on side. So here it is lying. So how I will draw this sun? First stage, where it is placed, on VP, on VP. So take 30. Intentionally I changed the value. First, you have to draw side only. Because why you have to draw side, Amma? Why you have to draw side? Anyone can tell me? Why you have to draw side? Because corner is a single point. By using single point, you cannot apply arc method. Take 30 from here, cut. Instead of taking arcs on right side, here we taken arcs on right. Here I taken on left side. That is a method you have to remember. This is equilateral triangle. See, after that name it A dash, B dash, C dash. Agree? Object is lying on corner. Object is lying on side. Em ledamma. First line తీసుకోండి ఇక్కడ right side తీసుకోతే corner will come on this side. But here corner itself is known. I cannot use corner directly. Corner is a single point. Then I will go for first side and I will take in reverse direction. Then obviously corner will be first. Understand? This is the true shape of the object. Project. I'm observing from top. See that dark line. A is visible. A. C is visible, but B is not visible. This is first stage. What is first stage? True shape of the object, where it is placed on VP, how it is placed with corner. Ido question answer. What I am telling, first stage will give complete information about its true shape, position, on VP or on HP, on side or on corner. Ido jagratam. There itself only your 50